Hey again, YouTube. Today I'm going to take you through a mod that I did recently. After I discovered that our little hand pump sink faucet thing was leaking and really just not pumping very efficiently, I decided I wanted an electric pump, and the system I put together was inspired by another video that I will link in the description, and all credit goes to them for the inspiration. I just adapted their idea to a camper setup rather than a portable shower. That being said, today's video is just going to be a quick walkthrough of the system I put together and how I adapted it to what I wanted. So if you want a more in-depth look, go to the channel Doing Stuff and their portable shower sprayer system. Their video is going to be a lot better for an actual in-depth view on how you can build something similar. So without further ado, I will take you through our system. Okay, so starting where we actually have our water tank located, I'll work from there back. We've got it tucked away in this corner under here with our little porta potty dealio yet to be used. So you can see the wire and the tubing for the water running across the back there. I use these generic screw-in 12-volt DC plug adapters to hook it together so I can take it out and refill it when I need to. Now I have to pull the pump out. It is run across here through that little screw-in tightening penetration fitting, and the pump down inside. I had to cut a hole in here to actually fit the pump through. The fill hole wasn't big enough to get it in there. This is how it's all powered. I didn't wire it into the camper. I just used this little battery pack on-off switch wired straight into the pump. So now we'll get into the plumbing down here. Also a pretty simple system. The fill coming from street connection is that gray hose you see coming through the wall. So I've got that teed in along with the fill coming from the electric pump with the 3/8 food grade tubing. The only thing I need to change there is a little valve to isolate the fill to the tank. Now we've got water running, good to go. I also put this on a quick disconnect system so that if I want to use it for a shower outside or sprayer, whatever, it's just quick and easy swaparoo. I think I got about an 8-foot just regular shower sprayer hose on sale, and a garden sprayer. It's pretty low water pressure, so it's not going to jet or anything crazy, but it'll be good enough for light showers and cleaning stuff off. And the low pressure really helps us save water anyway, because we're not using as much of it. Quick and easy. Swap it back out to the sink. Kind of tried to hide it with that little piece of driftwood there. It's not so great, but that's alright. And then I just keep the hose stowed away right in there when I'm not using it, and that's pretty much it. Well, there we have it. That is the rundown of our manual hand pump to electric pump faucet shower conversion, whatever you want to call it. I wanted to keep it as simple as I could. I really didn't want to tap into the wiring in the camper. I wanted to keep it standalone just to keep it simple, really. I wasn't really into making more effort than I wanted to, and I think anybody could do this with a couple of tools and these basic parts. So hopefully this helped, maybe inspired some of you to try the same thing. I have yet to actually go out and test it outside of my driveway, but I think it'll go pretty well. So there you go. We got more videos coming. I'm trying to shoot for weekly videos. And being that it's winter time and these dry days probably aren't going to come around very often, I'm probably going to, well, who am I kidding? I may not mellow out, but I'm going to try to mellow out on the camper for a while. It's starting to get pretty dang cold, so I'm probably going to transition to some more indoor projects. But we'll keep doing this here and there, and hopefully I will get in some outdoor winter camping trip videos and such. I think this coming weekend I might try to go up in the mountains with some buddies from work, find some snow, go wheeling, cook some food. So stay tuned, see what we've got coming. There's a pretty wide variety of what I like to do, and I'm going to try to film more of it. Subscribe if you like what you see and want to see more. Like if you like this video. Comment if you got something to say, good or bad. Either way, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.